Now let's take part 2 here on the figure base and see how we find the chord given some information. The objectives here are we will review the 3 forms of the alphabet, review the inversion spellings in the key of C, and review inversion notation. And then we're going to get into how to use it in figured bass. So our 3 forms of the alphabet are first form A, B, C, D, E, F, G, which is for scales and consecutive letters. Face, every good boy does fine, which is every other letter for chords. And B, G, C, F, which is every 2 letters, which is for key signatures. Let's review our inversions again. Root position in the key of C, we have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chords. And that would be spelled C, E, G, D, F, A, E, G, B, etc. If we did our first inversion chord in the key of C, we would still have the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but now we would start with a second note in the chord, so we'd have E, G, C, F, A, D, and etc. And our second inversion means we start with the 5th of the chord in the bass. So in the key of C with our numbers, we would have G, C, E, that's the 1 chord in second inversion, A, D, F, that's the second inversion 2 chord, and so forth. If you don't remember this, please go back and watch the video on inversions. So with our inversions, we have root position notation, which is no symbol with it. We have first inversion notation, which would be to have a 6 next to that Roman numeral. And then second inversion would be to have 6-4 or 6-4 like that. So let's apply it now. We need a bass note, an inversion symbol, and then we'll figure out the chord. So we will add our second form of the musical alphabet to figure this out. So if I had a G in the bass and I had no inversion symbol, that would mean G is the root. Therefore, my chord would be GBD. Let's do another one. In my bass, with my second form of the alphabet, I have a C, and my inversion symbol is a 6, which means C is the third of the chord. Therefore, my chord spelling would be ACE. Now, let's give you one final one here. In the bass, I have an F, and my inversion symbol is 6-4, which means the F is the 5th of the chord. Therefore, my chord is BDF. And that's how we do our figure out what the root of the chord is with using our inversion symbols. So let's give that a shot and see how it works. Thanks for watching.